Hi, chicken.
He'll get out. He'll figure it out.
Nope, can't fly.
Hey, it's a house pet, guys.
Look, he's shit.
See that thing.
It's a house pet, guys.
See that thing.
No, get out of here now. He's shit.
He's a house
Look at,
pet.
oh, motherfucker, you just pissed on me?
He's a house pet. You guys leave him alone.
Yes, he's somebody's
He's a house pet.
Is he a house pet?
Yes, he's somebody's pet.
Yep. Look how calm he is. There's no way.
He won't
Hey.
bite.
No, he ain't biting me.
Just keep it. Hey, buddy. It's good luck, man. Yeah,
That's where your people are from.
they eat them.
No. They keep these as pets and they eat the dogs.
Yeah.
Chickens are pets, man. I'm telling you. So are pigs over there. It's all right. Okay, we're going to take the chair, the whole chair, nothing but the chair, and let you go. On the other side of the fence. It's all right.
Wait.
It's somebody's from around here, and I am not going to sit here and try to get in here between somebody's animals. All right, there you go. All right, have fun, buddy.
Buddy. It's alright. I'll see you guys later.
That is the hardest thing.
There's a whole new meaning to why the chicken crossed the road. It is.
Let's make some chicken legs.
I gotta call my mom now. We ain't going chicken hunting.
Alright guys, yeah, this is the chicken we found. Which is really odd because, as you can see, this isn't a place where you normally find a chicken. This isn't country. Someone's pet. What's up, little guy? Alright, we're gonna end the video here. Anybody want a chicken, just message me. I don't know what we're gonna do with him. Alright, peace.